Meditation has changed my life in how I look, how I feel, and how I live my life. Meditation is part of the beautiful philosophy of yoga. It leads us to a peace of mind, a state of well-being, and excellent mental health. Mantra meditation is a style of meditation where we repeat a word or words over and over again. The mantra helps us calm and quiet our mind. I'm going to guide you through mantra meditation. First, we'll start with a little belly breathing, and then we'll go ahead and I'll give you the mantra, beautiful Sanskrit mantra. Meditation is for everyone, whether you've been practicing meditation or this is your very first time. All are welcome. It's simple, easy, and very powerful. So let's sit comfortably in a chair, or you can sit on the floor, wherever it is that you're comfortable. I like to have my hands in this position with the right hand and left thumbs touching, but find a comfortable position for you. Softly close your eyes, bringing your awareness inward. Unclench your teeth now and forever. Your mouth is gently closed. And let's take a few deep, full belly breaths. Inhaling for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a breath in, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And inhale and exhale. Another breath in, full deep belly breath in, and exhale out completely. And now let your breath be natural. That's the breathing you do all day long without thinking about it. I'm going to repeat this beautiful universal mantra. So just listen. It simply means coming back to my true self of peace and harmony and tranquility. So hum namaha. So hum namaha. So let's say it together with a soft voice so you can hear yourself to make sure you're saying it right. So hum namaha. So hum namaha. Now repeat your mantra silently without moving your lips or your tongue. The repetition of your mantra is gentle, easy, effortless. If your mind wanders to other thoughts, gently come back to your mantra. If you get distracted by a noise in the environment or if an emotion comes up, treat these like you would have thought. Just repeat your mantra, this beautiful tool that will help calm and quiet the mind. We'll meditate for about 10 minutes. I'll keep track of the time. You just enjoy and bring your attention as if you were listening to your mantra being said, listening to So hum namaha. Easy, gentle repetition. Enjoy. Keeping your eyes softly closed, stop the repetition of your mantra. Always remember to take a moment after meditating to settle in the stillness and the silence before opening your eyes and moving back into activity. You can gradually begin to deepen your breath. You can extend your arms out to the sides, move around a little bit. And then bring your palms together, hands to heart, eyes softly closed. Notice this calm, peaceful feeling. Maybe you can notice that you're a little more relaxed, a little more settled down. Taking a moment and now bring your fingertips toward your forehead, acknowledging and bowing to your beautiful body, your beautiful mind, your beautiful spirit that will shine so brightly through your eyes. Bring your hands to your heart. Namaste.